Ask any marketer today, and they'll likely tell you they're not creating near enough content for their websites and blogs. Why? Because writing content on your own takes too much time. Sure, you could hire someone else to do it for you if you wanted. But we all know how hard it is to find good writers, right? Or how quickly it adds up when you have to pay per word. Why put yourself through that kind of heartache if you don't need to? With Paste Submit, we took all the hard work out of finding good writers and generating high-quality, unique articles and made it push-button simple. Paste Submit uses the best artificial intelligence software available, combined with a bulletproof strategy to ranking your articles quickly. The future of content generation is here, and it's Paste Submit.
Hey there, Ron Desi here. Today I want to talk to you about a problem every marketer faces, but most don't have the time to solve the problem on their own. Content creation. Specifically, how to generate content that ranks on Google and gets visitors. Maybe you remember the old days of generating SEO articles, where you would insert the same keyword into an article over and over again, while maintaining a certain keyword density to rank content on Google. Well, that outdated SEO technique doesn't work anymore. Today, more advanced technologies exist that use artificial intelligence to determine the meaning of content and rewrite it into 100% unique articles. That's the kind of technology we've built into Paste Submit. Paste Submit generates unique, high-quality SEO articles for many of the most popular and highest traffic niches, instantly at the click of a button. But that's not all this amazing software does. One click and your unique article is instantly uploaded to Pastebin. Now, if you haven't heard of Pastebin, it's a site that Google indexes immediately. Pastebin alone ranks content so quickly and easily, hacktivist groups like Anonymous use it to distribute and rank leaked documents and press releases. But they're not using 1/4 of the power we've built into this system. Now, I'm going to turn things over to my partner, Thomas Whittick, to explain how Paste Submit works and how it can instantly boost your SEO results.
Hey guys, it's Thomas. I just want to give you a quick demo of the Paste Submit application, show you how to use it and what it does. What you're looking at now is the inside of the application. There's just a couple things you need to do to set it up in the settings here. Enter your email that you used to purchase, and then your Pastebin username and password, because it's going to submit the articles that you generate to your own Pastebin account, okay? That way you can just log in and have access to all of them right there. Now, the reason we're doing this, that we're actually submitting the articles to Pastebin, is not just for the convenience factor of having the articles, but also because they have a very high domain authority and page authority, and they've recently implemented the ability to create do-follow backlinks to your own website, which is huge, and one of the main reasons that we created this software in the first place. Okay, so here's how it works. You just select a category. Let's do online marketing, and I'll do web design, okay? Go ahead and click generate article, and it will go out to the database that we have in the cloud. It fetches an article, and then it will spin it in real time using one of the additional spinners that we have. There's 2 spinning applications built in here. We spin it once after we crawl the content and to make it unique, and then again when we send it to the user, so they're always generating unique articles. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this article that we have that's about web design to Pastebin, and what it does is it generates the link for us so we can see the article, and then also it sends it to our indexing service because we want this to be crawled instantly by Google and get the value of having this online right away. So here's our article on web design. Now I just want to show you how easy it is to build a backlink. One thing you want to do if you're going to create an article and just use this for backlinks, you want to change the title of the article so that it's unique. We set it up so that it actually shows you what category and subcategory you generate the article from, so that if you're just using Pastebin to store your articles and you're putting them on either your website or some 2.0 site, you'll know what the content is about. But if you're going to use this for backlinks, which is one of the most powerful features of this application, you want to write a unique title that can rank on Google, okay? And there'll be more information about that in the training on the back end. So I'm going to take this word right here, web design, and I'm going to turn this into a link using what's called Markdown language, okay? And Markdown language is similar to HTML, which is a markup language, except that it's actually easier to use, much less of a learning curve, and it was made for just the end users to be able to quickly add links and stuff like that. It's the type of stuff they use on Wikipedia or Reddit. They're all using Markdown. All right, so we save this. As you can see, it generated a link. And if I inspect this link here, it's actually going to be a do follow backlink. All right, there's no rel no follow in here, which of course will add quite a bit of authority to our website. Okay, now one thing I want to mention real quick is that we have made the process of creating links much easier, and the demo version that I'm showing you now doesn't have this feature, but there will be a feature in the final version that releases on Thursday that you will basically just click a link icon. You'll highlight the text that you want to create into a link, click the icon, and it will give you a pop-up with the text that you highlighted and an area where you can enter that hyperlink, and then you just click generate. That way when you send it to Pastebin, your link will already be embedded. Keep in mind you do need a Pastebin Pro account to create any type of link. That is a feature of their Pro service. So that is something you'll have to keep in mind. But many of you that purchased Loop Video from the previous launch, you may already have a Pro account, so you can just use that one. All right, so I've pretty much covered all the features. You had a chance to take a look at the application and see it in action. Take a look underneath this video and you'll see a couple sample articles or a couple snippets from articles that we created using the application, along with the additional information about how it works and why it works. I encourage you to take a look at all that and then click the buy button below. Get early access right now while you can to the early bird. We're closing this as soon as we hit 200 people, which is the max that we can have with the APIs and everything that we have set up. So make sure you get in early if you want to secure your access ahead of time. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.